Independence Day is one of the most powerful and meaningful days for our country. It is the wonderful moment when we come together to celebrate the freedom of our beloved India. Look at our grand tricolor flag flying proudly in the sky. We are not simply celebrating a school holiday. We are celebrating the precious freedom that generations of brave Indians fought for. We are celebrating the spark inside every one of us that makes us proud to say, I am an Indian. As you look at these beautiful posters on the screen, think about the brave freedom fighters who never gave up. Mahatma Gandhi taught us the power of truth and non-violence. Bhagat Singh showed us courage and fearlessness. Rani Lakshmibai became a symbol of strength and determination. Along with them, countless heroes and heroines made great sacrifices for our motherland. Every time we see the saffron, white, and green in these posters, let us remember their message. Saffron reminds us to be courageous and selfless. White reminds us to follow truth and peace. Green represents growth, prosperity, nature, and hope. And the Ashoka Chakra reminds us to keep moving forward. India is a land of incredible diversity. We speak different languages, celebrate different festivals, and follow different traditions, yet we are one team and one family. We are Indians. From farmers growing our food to soldiers protecting our borders, from teachers shaping young minds to scientists exploring space, every Indian is helping build our nation. The future of India belongs to us. So let us study hard, dream big, help others, protect our environment, and use our freedom responsibly. Together, with courage in our hearts and dreams in our eyes, we can build a stronger, kinder, and brighter India. Let us make our freedom fighters proud. Jai Hind. Vande Matram. Happy Independence Day to everyone.